What's up guys, welcome back to your JavaScript series brought to you by Code2CrazyCTC. In case you just skipped the first episode and bumped into this one, I still remain Tony Cletus, your instructor. Alright, so in this episode 20, we're going to be looking at the do while loop statement. And in the last tutorial I told you guys that all loops serve the same purpose. It's just that they have differences in their syntax structure, and that's it. But there's a difference between the do while loop statement and the while loop statement, and the slight difference is in the way they execute their code, and that's it. You know, one thing is that the while loop statement will not execute any block of code if the condition doesn't meet its requirement. But unlike the while loop statement, the do while loop statement will at least run the block of code once, even though the condition doesn't meet the requirements. So you get to understand that when we go into coding. We'll just comment on this block of code here because we're going to use it later. So what you need to do is just highlight everything, then you press Ctrl+Shift/ and you comment it. That's the shorthand in Sublime Text Editor, or you can just do it manually. Alright, now the first thing we'll have to do is to declare a variable, and we'll set this variable to be equal to 10, and we can come here and we'll now write the do while loop statement. So in order to tell JavaScript that you're going to write a do while loop, so what you need to do is to type the keyword do and you open your curly braces, and here we can output the value of x on the screen. So we'll say document right. So say document.write x is equal to the value of x, you understand? So just come down here, and so we decrease the value of x by using the decrement operator, and that's what you're seeing here. If you have this now, what you need to do is to write out your condition. In order to write out your condition, you need to use the while keyword. So you just type while, open the parenthesis, and inside this parenthesis we are going to type x is greater than 0. So we set this condition as while x is greater than 0. Now let me quickly explain this block of code again. We declared variable x and we define the variable x to be equal to 10. Okay, first of all, it will do this, you understand? It will do this first. That's why I say the do while loop statement will always run once. So the variable x is equal to 10. So it will say do document.write x is equal to 10 here, and after it displays this on the screen, it will now come down here. S minus minus will decrease the value 10 by 1, and you have 9. So it will come into this loop and say, okay, is 9 greater than 0? Yeah, 9 is greater than 0. So it will go back into the loop and it will output x is equal to 9 on the screen. S is equal to 9 will come into this place, and the decrement operator will decrease the value of 9 by 1, and you will now have what? 8. So it will come down here and say, is 8 greater than 0? Yeah, 8 is greater than 0. It will go again and output the value of 8 on the screen, and this increment operator will decrease the value of 8 by 1, and you have what? 7. And so is 7 greater than 0? Yeah, 7 is greater than 0. So it will go again and output the value on the screen till it comes to 0, and it's okay, is 0 greater than 0? No, 0 is not greater than 0. So it will just stop at 1. So if you save this now and you invite our web browser, you refresh this, what do you have? 10, 9, 8 down to 1. Cool. So this is the do while loop statement. Alright, the do while loop statement will at least run the block of code once. So even though this value is not true for this condition here, it will run at least once. So let me prove it to you now. Supposing I make the 10 a negative number by saying minus 10, you understand? You know that minus 10 is not greater than 0. If we save this now and you come back here and refresh, you have minus 10. So even though the value is not true for the condition, it will at least run once, and that's one good feature of the do while loop statements. If I comment on this now by pressing Ctrl+Shift/ and I uncomment this, let's do this now. Supposing we clear this out and make this 10 a positive number 10. Remember, 10 is not less than or equal to 0. So if we save this now and we refresh, you won't have anything. It will not even run once. This is because the value x, which is 10, is not true for the condition, you understand? But unlike this one, it will first of all run the block of code once before it starts checking the condition, and that's how it works. So I'll comment this back, come down here, uncomment this, and we save this work. So I'll just clear this out and we save this and we refresh. We have our output. So this is how to use the do while loop statement. So alright, thank you guys for watching. In our next episode, we're going to be looking at another interesting topic that will blow your mind away, and that is JavaScript event handlers. And that's going to be very sweet because we're going to be working in hand with the HTML file. Thank you guys for watching, and if you've really learned something from this video, please click on that like button below and please make sure you subscribe.